Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is gas cooker, about the gas cooker, griller and ovener, how to work. That one I have to explain. Actually at the moment I am at one of the customer house. I have to explain to the customer how to use this gas cooker. This is brand wise Candy brand, made in Italy. It's very nice brand. No any complaint here in Dubai. It's very demand gas cooker. This one actually very rarely coming complaint against the gas cooker. Because of that, actually anyway, that's customer complaint. This customer not able to use oven and griller together. That one I already explained to the customer how to use this machine, this unit, because all the gas cookers are not allowed uh, while they are using oven or griller together. But according to the manufacturer, that one they given instruction only 10 minutes before, below 10 minutes we can use together. After that, while using together, uh, griller or oven, the within few minutes it will getting off oven, griller, because the oxygen supply not supplying properly to the burn LPO gas. Because of that, it is shutting down automatically. Now I will show you what happening. This customer, actually it's very difficult to explain to the customer, but anyway, this is the theory wise. This is actually general knowledge. Anybody know it is has to be proper oxygen, otherwise it's not burning anything. Because this, in this situation, this is down. While we open oven, it will work continuously, but at the same time, while we open griller, within few minutes it will get cut off automatically. It is very dangerous also, but gas supply, it will come continuously. But my advice is, don't use any cooker together. That's mean up and down, mean oven and griller together. That's mean it's not allowed. Also it's very dangerous. Now I will show you what happening while we are using together. What happening, how is getting switch off, otherwise getting shutting down, and I will show you. Now we will go to the next step. You can see here, this is bottom having hole. This door we can open and close. Here having a hole, this is actually gas, oxygen hole, to supply into the burn LPO gas inside this burning area. Now I'm opening oven. I'm now temporary, I'm keeping this one closed. Now I'm going to open the oven. Now you can see it is oven already on. It's burning. It start to work. You can see here. Now you can see here oven already working continuously. Now what I'm going to do, now I already closed the downside door, bottom door. Now I'm going to start the griller also here. Now you can see the flame, it is not stable, because now door is already open. Because of that, from here to there, supplying gas from out to inside, it's supplying to the burn here LPO gas. Now I'm going to close the door. Now I already closed the door. Now you can see the flames is not stable. It's like moving here and there. Now within maximum it will work 5 to 8 minutes. After that, griller will, now you can see the flames is difference. Now it's burning, now not supplying gas, oxygen. Now you can see the burning flames is moving here and there. Now automatically it will getting. Now you can see it is already. Now I'm going to open the door again. Now you can see here it is already closed, but still downside, that's been oven still working. Now what I'm going to do, now I'm going to shut down close the oven, and I'm opening griller. Now you can see it is thermocouple function, everything's are perfect. Now I'm going to close the again door. Now it's continuously working. Now it's 100% is not getting shut down, otherwise it's not closing. Continuously it will work until finishing gas. Now again I'm going to open the oven. Now it's open oven. Now it's still working. Now you can see the flames here and there now already got stopped. That's been shut down. But continuously working oven. If you need my advice, if you need together some time, you can open the bottom cover here. Here, this one you can open because it's maximum space to supply oxygen. Because of that, now I'm going to open again griller. Not enough gas, oxygen inside. Still not enough oxygen. That's why it's not coming. Again. Now I open again griller. Also now I'm going to on oven also. Now you can see it's together, oven and griller. Now you can see together, continuously working. Now I'm going to close the door here, but I open the downside open door. Now maximum oxygen will supply from here to there. Because of that, it will work continuously. My advice is, if you need only, you have to open this one and you can use together. Otherwise you cannot use only 10 to 15 only 5 to 10 minutes only you can use. Otherwise after that it will close. Now if you need only, you can open this door and you can use, but I'm not telling, an emergency case only you can use. Otherwise continuously permanently don't go to use together. And this is my advice today for the about the cooker. And thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks.